Practice set 7.5. Question 1. Yield of soya bean per acre in quintal in Mukunda's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean yield per acre. So here we have 7 individual observations. Formula for mean in such case is sum of all observations upon number of observations. Now sum of all observation means 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 upon number of observations are 7. The addition in the numerator is 49 upon denominator is 7, and so the answer is 7. Question 2. Find the median of the observations 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75, 80. Median is the central observation when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So here I have arranged the data in the ascending order. Hence we get the ascending order data as 59, 68, 70, 74, 75, 75, 80. Now let us see which is the middle observation or central observation. This is 59 is first observation, 68 second, 70 third, 74 is the fourth observation, 75 is the fifth observation, next 75 is the sixth observation, and 80 is the seventh observation. So which is the central observation now? Fourth observation is the central observation. Which is that one? That observation is 74. Hence median is 74. So here I have written the answer, median as 74. Now median has units. Hence median equals 74 units. Now there is one hint. If n, the number of observations, is an odd number, then median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now here n equals 7, an odd number. So n plus 1 by 2 equals 7 plus 1 by 2 equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. Hence median equals n plus 1 by 2th observation means 4th observation. Now which is the 4th observation? We found that as 74. Hence median equals 74. Question 3. The marks out of 100 obtained by 7 students in mathematics exam are given below. Find the mode for these marks. The observations are, or the marks are 99, 100, 95, 100, 100, 60, 90. Answer. Now mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times. So which is the observation in the marks which has come maximum number of times? It is observation 100 which has come 3 times. Hence 100 is the mode. Again mode has units, but here they are marks, so need not write the units. Question 4. The monthly salaries in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. So they have given 30 observations starting from 5,000 and ending at 4,000. From the above data, find the mean of monthly salary. Now here the unit for answer will be rupees. Answer. Mean equals the sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Now sum of the 30 observations starting at 5,000 ending at 4,000, that addition is 1,47,000 divided by the number of observations 30. Hence the answer is, now let us cancel and actually find out the answer. Cancel the zeros. Okay. Now the table of 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 3 nines are, and 0 0. So answer is rupees 4,900. Hence mean equals rupees 4,900. Question number 5. In a basket, there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each of these tomatoes in grams is as follows: 60, 70, 90, 95, 50, 65, 70, 80, 85, 95. Find the median of the weights of tomatoes. Now, here the answer will be in grams. Answer. Now here n, number of observations, is 10, which is an even number. So median equals n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2, which means it is the average of two central observations as the number of observations are even when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So here data I have arranged in ascending order. So we get 50, 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. Hence, which are the two central observations? First observation is 50, second is 60, 65 is third, 70 is fourth, next 70 is fifth observation, 80 is sixth observation, 85 seventh observation, 90 eighth observation, 95 ninth observation, and again 95 is 10th observation. So, fifth and sixth observations are the two central observations. And which are those actual observations? 70 and 80. Hence, median equals fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2, 70 plus 80 divided by 2, which equals 150 upon 2, which equals 75. Answer is in grams. So, median equals 75 grams. Question 6. A hockey player has scored following number of goals in 9 matches: 5, 4, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 3. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data. Now, the numbers are scores, so we may not write the unit for mean, median, or mode. Answer. Now, for mean, we want sum of all observations, and median, we need the data in the ascending order. So, I have made two columns. First is serial number, second is data in ascending order. As there are 9 observations, serial numbers are 1, 2 up to 9. Now, the data in the ascending order is 0, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5. We can see that sum of all observations is 27. So, now let us write down mean. Mean by formula is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. I will write here n means number of observations. So, sum is 27 divided by 9, that is 9 number of observations. So, the answer is 3. Hence, mean equals 3. Now, median. Median is the central observation when the data is arranged in either ascending or descending order. Here we have ascending order. Now, number of observations n is 9 and odd number. Hence, central observation is n plus 1 by 2th observation, which is our median. Median equals n plus 1 by 2th observation means 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So, that is 10 by 2th observation, which is 5th observation. You see, I am writing all the steps here so that we will always be correct at the answers. So, which is the 5th observation? 5th observation is 3. Hence, 3 is our median. Median equals 3. Now lastly, mode. What is the definition of mode? The observation which occurs maximum number of times. Let us see which observation comes maximum number of times. 4 is the observation which has occurred maximum number of times. So that is mode. Hence mode equals 4. Question number 13. In the following table, the information is given about the number of families and the siblings in the families less than 14 years of age. Find the mode of the data. We are given two columns. First column is number of siblings and second column is families. Now, number of siblings are observations and families are frequencies. So, in this case, what is mode? Mode is an observation with maximum frequency. So, which frequency is maximum? 25. Corresponding observation is 2. So, 2 is the mode. Once again, to revise, here this is called as discrete frequency distribution for which the table is given. Here mode is an observation with maximum frequency. The observation 2 has maximum frequency, that is 25. Hence, the observation 2 is the mode. Question number 14. Find a mode of the following data. We are given two columns. First column is for marks and second is for number of students. Marks are observations and number of students are frequencies. Now again to revise, mode is an observation in this case for which frequency is maximum. Where do we have maximum frequency? It is at two places. 9 and 9 are maximum frequencies which are at the observations 35 and 37. Hence, there are two modes. Mode equals 35 and 37. Friends, thank you for watching the channel Best Readouts.